Good morning. It is the 1st of January 2026. Happy New Year. In about a few months' time. We have just driven a few miles from the campsite to Bluebell Railway. At where?
Sheffield Park.
Sheffield Park. We're allowed to park in the coach bays. This is the second car park. The original one further back there. There's height barriers, so pretty. So was it platform something else? Hello. So nearly got on the train. Then I realised I'd left my phone in the van. So then I had to go back and get it. I can't speak very loud. So we're on the train. What train are we on? What's the train?
We can't see it. It was right up the end. So
I don't know what's going on.
We'll have a look. We're getting off in 15 minutes.
Okay, I don't know. Right. Oh!
Platform number 3 is the East Grinsted service. The train ready parking.
Okay, so we disembarked from the train, which was very crowded, and we got off at Horsted Keynes, which is here. We're only on the train for about 15 minutes, and there is another train coming in 15 minutes that we're getting back on again. Coming from that direction. So this station then has been used for loads of filming, things like
Poirot, Foyle's War, Miss Marple, anything owed really.
Anything owed? Okay.
Yes.
Right, we have now come to Sheffield Park and Gardens. There are motorhome spaces. I don't know if he needs to move over a little bit actually. I'm going to get him to move over a bit. Motorhome spaces here. Caravan, camper van parking. Didn't do a great deal of videoing at the trainee sort of place because it was so crowded. Even the staff said they weren't expecting so many people there. And yeah, it was just so crowded. Couldn't film anything at the windows because sharing a compartment with strangers, not going to keep the window open, are you? Because it's freezing cold. It's 2:30 now. I don't know what's going on. It's quite a big place, isn't it? Ooh, it's a lake. Right, so that's... It could be frozen, I don't know.
That seagull is walking.
Oh, right, okay. So that's Sheffield House.
Sheffield Park House.
Sheffield Park House. That's
It's private. It's not a national trust.
okay. I don't know if you heard that.
And obviously, this was their parkland.
Yeah.
Which
No,
was,
the water's flowing over there.
Yeah, but this bit's
This
frozen.
bit looks frozen, doesn't it?
It was designed with the help of Lancelot Capability Brown.
Okay. Well, will you look at that?
So I'm thinking, we ain't got top.
There's lots of these elf on the shelf things. I don't know what you've got to do with them.
It's a trail.
It's a trail. Okay.
To find them all.
That big old dead tree. Top's come off.
It's dead. If it was
No,
still bits on the bottom branches.
that might be moss though.
Yeah,
Oh, up
tells us
there. Sorry.
Lightning strike.
Lightning strike. Oh my goodness me. Yeah, I'll give you the
Giant redwood,
microphone.
yeah.
It was. Alright. Don't work. Say that again.
The tree in front is a giant redwood, and it was hit by lightning on Wednesday the 16th of November 2022 during Storm Eunice. It was 38.4 metres high. But the base is still alive.
The mallard over there.
Or 12.
Or 12. Yeah. This is a very rickety bridge. It's sloping one way. We just had a kingfisher over there and then it flew over, and I lost it. Ah! Ducks! Lost it somewhere down there. Yeah, duck. Making our way back now. Losing the light. Too many kids. Huh? There's a train.